our passion towards engineering. And very, very important is that we would like to be closer to the customer and make it easy for the engineer to pick and choose the right solution for his application. So, if you
Hello, good afternoon, good morning, and welcome to the Igus major element of decarbonization. Number one, last year we announced we would make it also from virgin material, no more. We will make this bicycle for the winter. The crank, 20,000 kilometers, freewheel and gear, and sprockets all are being tested in the lab. And very good for us, the structural parts, the fork and the frame, pass very stringent external tests, so we assure now that we can produce these structural parts from discarded shampoo bottles, from consumer plastic waste. Igus will start the sales in the Cologne area, end of August. Cologne is flat, it's an urban bike, and we will observe very closely customers' reaction, performance, and test some service packages around it. End of our show, 190 news for Igus. It's a record for us. Our company's goals are improve what moves with motion plastics, reduce CO2, and
the cables will be passed through this, and this protects the cables and it gives longer life for the grades as well as the machine durability also increases and performance also increases. And in earlier days, we used to have a screwdriver to open this crossbar. We call this as a crossbar to insert.
This can take a load of 16 tons. Just to give you an idea, and will be fixed with these polymer spherical bearings. This is where conveyors or below block bearings could be used. Using
linear motion application. So it is based on sliding 300. So basically what Nitin spoke about, the FOP and EcoG are mostly from our from the schools. And in general, AC process, if you collect engineering plastics, maybe not really applicable for polyethylene or the plastic bags that you see in bigger, but for engineering.
exports to Sri Lanka, exports to Bangladesh, to Nepal.
Only South Asia.
Yeah, only the Indian subcontinent, not even. There are a lot of design centers across India. There are many companies that are focusing on design support exercises for companies in Europe and US and many other parts of the world. So we work very closely with them and work in conjunction with them. And to be honest, I think our biggest export from
Just to tell this.
all of you to be here to be part of this first physical press conference since the COVID pandemic. On a brief note, today is a very special occasion for us, wherein we introduce our news, the new products for the year. We introduced close to 190 new innovations to the market. Along with that, we are also very happy that the last 2 years, as we mentioned in the press con, our businesses have doubled, more than 2.5 times, and this also requires us to invest more in the facilities that we have and the people that we have. So on this note, today we also announced our proposed move from our current facilities. The current facilities have become a little small for us, and we have been planning this move for quite some time. And currently we are moving from our existing facility into a new integrated campus, wherein we will be adding 40% more shop floor space and warehousing by a factor of more than 60%. This is the investment that we are looking at for this year, and this will be more or less in the BTS build to suit kind of model, wherein we invested to have the similar kind of standards that we have in Germany and other parts of other subsidiaries that we have across the globe. However, this is not where we are hoping that with the support of the Indian industry and the way that we are growing, as we sustain this kind of growth and as we look forward to more growth, we are in the process of looking for land, wherein we would look upwards of investments of, we're looking for land parcels of something in the region of 10 plus acres. And based on this, we are also planning our investments. We are aligning. The German HQ is already in principle aligned to this. We are looking at the right piece of land and support, and we also are continuing to invest in people. We will continue to invest, especially on the field, to be closer to the customer. So these are our current plans, and we hope that in a short while we can meet again and discuss something that is more finite and more firm in the coming days.
Where is this facility and
the current facility, thanks for the question. So we are currently in Whitefield. One of the requirements for us was that we keep the entire set of people that are working for Igus, the entire support structure, that they all work out of the same premises. And this makes it a little bit of a problem that we don't want to go very far away because it becomes difficult for our colleagues. So currently we are moving from our current location in Whitefield towards closer to the airport. This is in the Mandur village. It is close to 16 kilometers away from the airport. From the Old Madras Road, it is around about 5 kilometers. It's a 4-acre campus that we are looking at currently. Thank you so much.